Meet Clara. She's an AI assistant who can code, write emails, and even design logos. Cool, right? But here's the problem. Clara's not here to steal your job. She's here to steal tasks. And if you're still doing those tasks manually in 2025, you're about to get left behind. So how do you stay ahead? Let's talk strategy. Step 1. Master the AI human superpower stack. The future isn't about competing with AI. It's about stacking your unique skills on top of AI's brute force efficiency. Think of it like this. AI is the calculator. You're the mathematician who knows what problem to solve. Here's how to build your stack. Skill 1. Prompt engineering. AI tools like ChatGPT are only as good as your prompts. Example, instead of write me a blog, say, act as a productivity expert. Outline a 1,500-word blog on time blocking for remote workers, with 3 actionable frameworks and a case study. Better prompts equals better output. Skill 2. Ethical and creative judgment. AI can't tell if your Instagram caption is tone-deaf or if your business decision harms the planet. Be the human who asks, should we do this? Not just can we. Step 2. Build your future-proof skill portfolio. Let's break it down. Tier 1. The AI Whisperer. Learn to audit your job. Ask, what repetitive tasks can I automate today? Use tools like Zapier or Notion AI. Tier 2. The Adaptability Muscle. Join a Learn-Apply cycle. Spend 2 hours per week on micro-courses, Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, then immediately apply it. Tier 3. The Bridge Builder. AI can't network. Attend one virtual event/month in fields adjacent to yours. Step 3. Play the long game with anti-fragile habits. Forget hard work. Focus on smart evolution. 2 habits to start now. Habit 1. The 10% rule. Dedicate 10% of your week to future you projects. Habit 2. Curiosity sprints. Every quarter, pick one AI trend. Voice cloning, ethical AI, and deep dive for 7 days. The AI era isn't a dystopia. It's a tool belt. Your job isn't to outwork Clara. It's to ask better questions, build smarter systems, and stay relentlessly human. Start small. Automate one task this week. Then go learn something that scares you. The future doesn't wait, but it does reward the curious. Like this? Smash that subscribe.